Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys having a car. It could be almost any modern car. If you have a problem where the AC doesn't work, it could be quite simple fix. Most people think automatically it's a compressor. Well guys, that doesn't guarantee that stuff. Okay, we have a video that explains the top 5 or top 10 reasons why AC does not work, and it could be multiple things. Some of those are AC clutch, AC compressor. You actually even have an AC compressor solenoid on the modern vehicles. That's a little bitty solenoid that changes the duty cycle of the AC compressor, and often people will throw a whole compressor in the trash can just because of one solenoid that costs like, let's say, $10–20, and it's super easy to replace. Now we'll talk about that, guys, in a second, but other things, okay, having a leak, okay, having a leaking condenser, if the system is empty, that will cause it not to work as well. But there is a few things that people completely guys ignore, and what it is. Now on some cars will be extremely hidden. I want to show you right here. If you come towards the by the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you need to buy any tools and parts, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. So you have the AC compressor being turned by the serpentine belt. If you have now electric or hybrid vehicle, it will be a little bit different. It will be turned by electric motor, but then you have the evaporator right here. And guys, okay, on the high pressure AC line, I want to show you right here what we have, guys. You see that device? This device is known as an AC pressure switch. This is also AC pressure sensor. What it does, guys, well, pretty simple. It detects if you have enough pressure in the AC system, and it allows the engine computer right here to activate the AC compressor if you have enough pressure. Now if that sensor does not work, guys, AC pressure switch does not work, your AC will not work as well. Now if you want to see how to test AC pressure switch, we'll have video on the channel how to do that step by step. This is from another car. That's what it looks like. It's just a little bitty switch, and all it does, it just detects, guys, okay, the pressure. We can actually remove one to show you what it looks like quickly, okay. And it's nothing special. It's practically a pressure sensor, okay. So once you unscrew it, okay, on some cars even you can remove it without draining the systems, because, okay, check this thing out, you have a needle, so you can replace it without draining your AC system on some cars, not all. But that switch right here, that's the one that is quite, okay, quite important for that. Another thing, that's the expansion valve right here, thermostatic expansion valve. Sometimes that can cause it not to work too, but often, guys, okay, you need to test your sensor, okay, AC pressure sensor, also known as AC pressure switch as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully just a quick video, guys, for any of you having problems with the AC system. Drop a comment below if you need help with anything. Please, guys, subscribe, like the channel. That way we can build it together, help more people, save more people money, guys. That's our goal, to build a community where we help each other and save each other money. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.